Hello. For this question, you'll need to use either R that you installed onto your computer or the online R console. I'm going to show you using the online R console here. Here's the online R console. Let me separate it out. So for this question, we'll need to enter data into R and then use R to find the mean, the median, and the standard deviation. So as a reminder, the way you enter data into R is you're going to first pick a name. Here I'm going to pick example as my name, equals C parentheses. And then between the parentheses, you're either going to type it in by hand, or if I give you the data already separated by commas, you can just copy and paste it. So let me enter this by hand. So let me enter the data from the previous question where I asked you to find the standard deviation by hand. So let me enter 39, 47, 44, 36, and 20. So it's 39, comma, 47, 44, 36, comma, 20. Hit enter. To find the mean, the command is mean, parentheses, and then the name that you picked. So here we picked example. To find the median, it's median, parentheses, the name that you picked. And then finally, to find the standard deviation, the command is sd, parentheses, and then the name that you picked. So here it's example. And then for this question that we're talking about, I'm giving you a stem and leaf plot. So the first thing you need to do is actually go backwards and write out what the original data is. So we talked about this already in section 2.3. So if you don't remember how to go backwards, take another look at the section 2.3 lecture. So once you have the data written out, the original data written out, you'll enter it into R this way, right? So instead of these numbers, you'll write the correct numbers. And then you'll find the mean, the median, and the standard deviation. Part D says use the empirical rule. So that means make this picture, put the mean in the middle, and then use your standard deviation to go up and down. Once you have this picture, you can just read off the answer from that picture. And then in part E, I'm giving you the data so that you can copy and paste. So let's talk about how to do this. So I'm going to first pick a name for the data. This is data regarding the height. So let me use height as my name, equals C parentheses. And then instead of writing this out by hand, the data is here for me to copy and paste. So double click to highlight everything. And then to copy, go to my menu, edit, copy. Go back to R, between the parentheses, edit, paste. Okay, or if your mouse has a right click, you can also right click, copy, and then go to R, right click, paste. Or you can also do on a Mac, the keyboard shortcuts, Command C to copy, Command V to paste, or on a PC, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Okay, once I have the data entered, I need to find the mean, so MEAN, parentheses, and then this time the name of my data is height. And then I don't think I need median for this part, so I need standard deviation, of course. So SD, parentheses, height. And then the question asked using the empirical rule, so that means make that picture again. And then from the picture, you can find the answer pretty easily.